Good morning, candidates. Today is 20th of July 2020. I am continuing with the say one-liners Micah July 2020. National and state. Recently, which state government has announced to donate 1 month free food grains to poor? Uttar Pradesh. Of course, in Tamil Nadu also it was given. Recently, who has released a book entitled Messiah Modi, A Great Tale of Expectations. Answer is Tablin Singh. Recently, the central government has launched MyGov Corona Help Desk. It's available on which social media platform? The answer is WhatsApp. Which state police has come first in India to introduce teaser guns? Recently, the answer is Gujarat. It should be teaser, T-E-A. Recently, who has launched a book titled Missing in Action, the prisoners the prisoners who never came back? The answer is Chandar Sutta Dogra. Chandar Sutta Dogra. Recently, which state government has launched the Mujibon program to the containment of COVID-19 pandemic? Odisha. Which state government has launched 104 helpline number for COVID-19 recently? Answer is Assam. Recently, which organization has launched a tracker of policies governments are taking in response to COVID-19? Answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund. Recently, who was appointed as Chief Secretary of Jharkhand State? Answer is Sukhdev Singh. Which state government has announced that it is to set up two COVID-19 dedicated hospitals under the PPP, Public Private Partnership model? The answer is Odisha. Recently, which state has become the first Indian state to launch assessment tool for COVID-19? Goa. Which state government has launched food helpline number 155214? Karnataka. Recently, which union minister has launched the 24 by 7 National Teleconsultation Center to answer COVID-19 related queries? Dr. Harshvardhan. Recently, which state government has launched Pragayam app to issue e-passes to everyone associated with the delivery of essential services amid lockdown? Answer Jharkhand. Recently, which state government has set up mobile hand wash facilities for the benefit of slum dwellers amidst lockdown in the state? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which IIT has developed a drone to sanitize large areas such as roads, parks, and footpaths? IIT Guwahati. Recently, Modi Kitchen has been set up in which city? Answer Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. Odisha celebrated Utkal Divas on 1st of April 98 April. Who is the present governor of Odisha? Ganeshi Lal. Recently, who has become the first judge to take oath under the Indian Constitution? Jammu and Kashmir High Court Judge Ranjesh Oswal. National Cadet Corps has offered its volunteer cadets for national duty to fight COVID-19 under exercise NCC Yogdan, where is the headquarters of National Cadet Corps NCC, New Delhi. Recently, which state government has started distributing pensions at the doorsteps of beneficiaries? Andhra Pradesh. Recently, which state government has launched online self-assessment tool to better identify, assist COVID-19 patients? Maharashtra. Recently, which union minister released the national corona survey conducted in 410 districts of the country? Answer: Jitendra Singh. Recently, which of the Indian Railways rail coach factory has developed a low-cost ventilator prototype named Jeevan? Answer: Kapurthala, Punjab. Former North Korean Deputy Ambassador to UK Tae Yong-ho has won a constituency seat in South Korea's parliamentary elections. So these are the questions that are coming under national and state. Yeah, we have two more pages to go. We have two more pages to go. Maybe we will take it up in our next video. Or shall we continue? Yeah, we will continue. International. Recently, which country has confirmed as first co-chair to Indian-led coalition for disaster resilient infrastructure? UK. Recently, which Indian celebrity has worked jointly with the World Health Organization to spread awareness over COVID-19? Priyanka Chopra. What is the name of the biennial exercise of US Marines and UAE Emirati forces which was conducted at Abu Dhabi recently? Native Fury. Recently, Global Humanitarian Response Plan was launched by which organization to fight against COVID-19? United Nations. Recently, which country has become the 30th member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization? North Macedonia. Recently, which organization has announced that the world has clearly entered a recession due to coronavirus pandemic? The answer is IMF, International Monetary Fund. Princess Maria Theresa has become the first royal to pass away due to COVID-19. She was related to which nation? She is connected with which nation? Answer is Spain. Very sad. Recently, how much amount was granted by ADB, Asian Development Bank, to Awas financiers to improve women's access to housing in India? $60 million. Nobel Prize winner Philip Warren Anderson has passed away recently. He received Nobel Prize in which field? Answer is physics. What is the name of the NATO chief who has announced the appointment of a group of experts on 31st March 2020? Jens Stoltenberg. Jens Stoltenberg. Recently, who was appointed as the Poker Stars India brand ambassador? India brand ambassador Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Recently, which bank has listed green bonds of $100 million on Bombay Stock Exchange India International Exchange? Answer is State Bank of India. Recently, the Asian Development Bank has released its economic publication, Asian Development Outlook 2020. Who is the president of Asian Development Bank? Masatsugu Asakawa. Masatsugu Asakawa, three times Grammy Award winner Bill Withers has passed away recently. Grammy Award is given in which field? The answer is Grammy Award is given for music field. What is the name of the world-renowned virologist who has become the first Indian origin South African to have died after contracting the novel coronavirus? Very sad. Geeta Ramji. Yeah, we will stop with this. Probably next time we will start with financial awareness. Thank you so much.